We're banging out. Last night we did some teriyaki. Tonight we're doing hoisin sauce. It's actually hoisin garlic. And we have our steam fresh sugar snap peas. Make sure none of them are black. They all look good. Last night this was amazing. All right. I used a double pat last night. Now we know we don't even got to waste our time with the double pat. Butter is such a nice cooking element. I should actually not be doing this with butter. I actually have something from the dollar store. What? Coconut oil. Another time, another place. I like to taste the butter. So, quick pause for the cause. We're going to try to caramelize some of our sugar snaps. All right, this is the soybe. I don't know how you say it in Hebrew or English or Jewish. Soybe, hoisin, garlic sauce, marinade. All right. We got our caramelized dehydrated onions. All out. These are nice. They absorb moisture. I have no moisture left. All right, the thing about you're going to feel things on here. You're going to get rid of them. Put it there. Every time you put a piece of catfish, you need to rub it between your fingers to feel if there's hard things in there. Like that right there. We're taking that off. All right. This is the most important thing about cooking with catfish is feeling the catfish. Once it's fully cooked, you need to look at it. Get rid of pieces that don't look so savory. Ooh, I don't think I've ever used that word before. That doesn't look savory, so we'll get rid of it. Get rid of that. You're looking and feeling. This is how you cook. I meet so many people that do not know how to cook a decent meal. So that's why you come to my channel. I'm teaching you how to cook 5-star restaurant stuff. Like exotic. No one's ever eaten that before. That is amazing to eat something and go, wow, that is amazing. And I just cooked that. Thank you, JW. I just started a Facebook campaign, and it turns out to be a bunch of young women. They probably can't cook for their lives. That's what we're going against. There's a hard piece. We're going to pull that off. You can leave the skin. You just want to feel it. Does it feel right? That right there, that doesn't feel right. We're in 4K, baby. So you can see it. There we go. All the food programs out there are in 480, and you can't see it. I love Jacques Pepin. There we go. All right, quick pause. Can't do it. I have too much fish on me, so we gotta wash our hands. Chicken, fish, beef, touching raw meat, you always gotta wash your hands. In a perfect world, you could lick your hands and nothing bad will ever happen to you. Research it. All right, now we got some hoisin garlic, soybe. All right, let's see. This is thick, this stuff. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's about 4 tablespoons. This stuff is delicious. All right, we're going to walk that up and we'll be back. All right, the party's almost over. Look at that, it's sizzling away. Shut off that. What do we have? 6 ounces of sesame seeds. Let's do a little more. Let's do half the bag. Nope, a little more. Black sesame seeds. This is going to be, what? Amazing. I'm trying to find there we go. I bought these a couple months ago, and they've been sitting around for just the occasion. All right. Now what you want to do, this is fully cooked catfish. Catfish is like, if you like thigh meat, chicken thigh meat. Hold on. All right. Went and got it. Mushroom powder. Absorb the moisture. So now we gotta take care of it. Only wish I had some cheese. How you doing? There we go. Seriously, you gotta be kidding me. Well, you come to my channel because what? I do things no one has ever even thought of or ever done. All right. Pause for the cause. I gotta taste it. Usually it's a spoon. Oh man, look at that. That is delicious. Ready? That looks good. Ready? There is way too much crunch. I have to let this sit for like probably half hour. And then Burritoville. Love you.